Folks, we are back, Foodies and Friends, Cinco de Mayo, and we're talking tacos. I want to salute our fine friends at Old El Paso for, of course, supplying the lovely goodies today.
Old El Paso is as Mexican as it gets.
As it can get. And what I'm doing right now, I'm seasoning some chicken that I've already put together here.
So you're doing chicken tacos?
Yes, chicken tacos, but not too much. Of course, a little bit of salt, pepper, a little bit of green seasoning. Of course, you
season that with your own?
Yes, my own lovely homegrown seasonings. So I'm saying, I make sure to do my thing here. I would love to use my hands, but because I have to touch other things, I will not. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna mix it all together here, as you can see.
So lovely chicken breasts there, Jase.
Yes, tender chicken breasts.
Tender chicken breasts.
Yes. Notice I have a British accent while doing Mexican food.
It's very off-putting.
Yes. But now, on the seriousness, all right? So get your nice chicken breasts, make sure you season well, and of course, use the taco seasoning.
So I'm going to use the Old El Paso taco seasoning on my shrimp.
All right.
So you're doing chicken.
Yes.
And I'm doing some shrimp. So I'm going to just liberally season.
The $1 million question, we have gas, right? You have gas? Right, I think you have gas, man. You're looking good. Right, yes, I fire on. So I've already put some oil in my pan here. As you can see, oh, you have oil, cannot forget. So you take a look at that. And then, of course, we'll put some in. I'm going to do all. You doing all? What do you do?
We're doing all, man.
You do all?
We have tacos. We have
Man,
tacos
see,
to
we
make.
do all.
Tacos to
Now,
make.
that's the most ecstatic sound you can hear in the kitchen. Ah, lovely. That's what we're talking about.
Never thought chicken steering with a turn you on,
That's
sir.
what I'm saying. Hey, we need a 1800 or no?
So Jase, you don't mind?
What are we doing?
We're going white. We have to try.
We gotta get the lime.
Come on,
The
man.
white, you need lime and salt and things.
We will get that. We have friends coming that will bring lime and salt and things.
Salud.
Salud. That was smooth, no. No, that was smooth. The lime and salt would have go nice with that.
I need the lime and salt. Wait.
Hey, let me get
Oh, you going?
shrimp
Yeah,
on.
get your stuff
Let me
going.
get my shrimp on, my fire on.
You do your thing.
Right, so I'm going shrimp. So Jase is doing chicken tacos, and I'm doing some shrimp. Lovely big jumbo shrimp. So I just need about
You 3 minutes aside, right?
3 to 5 minutes.
You go down and finish real quick. I still had to
3 to 5 minutes.
I had to flip these, but I want to make sure I'm good. I'm going to turn my fire up a little bit. Right. Now, while the shrimp is being done, we have different ingredients to do the inside of the taco.
Talk to me.
Can we go first?
Go first.
All right.
Yeah. Go first. Now,
Well, I took, of course, lots of pleasure in making this one here. This is what you call beets. It's a beets.
You roasted those beets?
Roasted beets. Shadow benny, a little bit of pepper, some salt, all that texture and so on. You want to taste it?
I see some shadow benny in there.
Taste it, taste
You
it,
put shadow benny in there too?
Taste it.
Come on, man.
Taste it.
So this is like a beet salsa.
It's a beets salsa. Tell me. On point.
You make that with your own two hands?
Own 2 hands, my brother. Don't test me, no. All right? So we have that. What do you have?
I did, so to complement your salsa, I'm doing shrimp, I'm doing seafood.
Yes.
So I did a pineapple and cucumber salsa.
Ooh, nah, the taste.
Tasting them, man.
Taste a little bit of that. Let me get the
Tasting
spoon
them,
here. Yes.
Shadow benny, lime.
But you can eat that by itself.
By itself, you know. That's
like
like a pineapple
like a
chow.
chow.
That's like a pineapple chow. What else you have there?
All that. I have some, of course, I like to call it lettuce.
Let's use.
We have lettuce. Because I like the crunch in my taco.
Right.
I want to do a soft and a hard. Right? So I'm doing a soft shell and a hard shell.
So the Old El Paso has both, huh? It has soft shell and the hard shell. And
No.
you do both.
I use these all the time, even for breakfast with omelette and stuff,
Nice,
eggs and stuff.
yeah,
I
yeah,
use the
yeah.
soft shells.
Nice.
Love them.
Nice.
So I figured I'll do both today, both the hard and the soft. I think you should do the same thing too.
If you insist.
Come on, man. It's Foodies and Friends. It's Cinco de Mayo. We can't have
We're
steps.
celebrating.
You know what I mean? How many minutes gone for your shrimp?
Have a minute again.
A minute again. Do your thing.
minute again.
I still have a good bit.
Yeah,
Some oil, take some oil, man. Of course, now, while we're doing all of that too, we are going to garnish with some other stuff. I have cheese, I have some sour cream.
Right.
But I still have a little concoction there with this.
I have some coleslaw. I did red and white cabbage. I don't know why it's called that red cabbage.
It's purple.
It's purple cabbage?
Yeah.
It's called eating red cabbage.
But it's still nice.
yes, so yes. So
Did you put brown sugar in yours or no? honey?
No. I put a little subtle white sugar.
Okay, don't do brown sugar.
I do a little white sugar. Also, Jase.
Ooh!
Yeah.
The toppings.
Old El Paso has some
Yes.
wonderful ready-made sauces. This is the actual taco sauce.
The verde is the best.
The verde.
Verde is green in Spanish, for those who don't know, right?
Yeah.
Verde.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is fire roasted verde. They have a mild one as well, but this is the medium.
I see you have grated cheese.
Yes, I do. Would you like some?
I am actually going to use the queso sauce, which is a cheese sauce.
I double up, my brother.
You're doing double cheese?
I'm double.
Jesus.
I do the liquid cheese and the grated cheese.
All right, Jase.
The only thing I'm not gonna do, because I'm not into a super hot guy, the jalapenos.
You're not going to do jalapenos?
You doing jalapenos?
I'm going to do jalapenos.
All right, so you put that in
I'm
yours.
gonna do jalapenos.
So that's a mix and a balance of both makes Cinco de Mayo one of the blessed type of celebrations ever in Mexico.
My
all the way
shrimp
through.
is turning. My shrimp is turning.
Nice, go ahead.
My shrimp
You
is
go and
turning.
check my stuff here too, eh? That's what I want you to
Have I told you lately
Ooh, sing for me.
that I love you, shrimp?
No, don't sing for me. You were
I
good.
love shrimp, you know.
I know.
So my shrimp is ready, Jase.
Yeah, I know, but I'm now flipping the chicken.
So my shrimp is ready to go, and I'm going to start building my taco. So as Jase had mentioned, we have both soft shells and hard shells
Yes, I.
from Old El Paso. And I'm going to start with a soft shell and kind of just show you how easy it is to build a homemade taco. You could try these recipes. We'll put it on CapitoCaribbean.com. Very easy, very simple to use some nice fresh ingredients. I want to start with some coleslaw. So Jase,
Yes, talk to me.
my coleslaw, nice creamy coleslaw,
Nice,
is
man.
going at the base.
Right?
So you know what my little weakness here, Jase?
Talk to me.
I put too much ingredients. Sometimes.
Partner, you can never have too much.
My eyes big, and then the taco don't close.
Listen, our eyes are big, our stomachs are bigger. Put coleslaw, papa.
I'm gonna go with
No
that.
chinks.
I'm going.
You know me, I don't like the chinks. Right.
So I like to keep it simple. So I am going from the coleslaw. I will go with some nice, lovely shrimp. Ooh, gee.
Looking good there, boy. Looking good there, boy.
Could I do it a little more?
And
coleslaw
I'm nearly
in here?
ready, eh? So go ahead. By the time you're done, I could build mine after.
Then salsa. Right? So I'm taking this lovely salsa and just topping in my pineapple and cucumber salsa.
That's right. One must get away.
And yeah, man. So this is kind of the fun of it. It
Yeah.
just needs to cascade. Remember that word?
Yes, cascade, cascade,
just
yes.
cascade all over. Right? Nice. And as I told you, I am using
Different sauces.
different sauces. So
All
I'm going to use Old El Paso taco sauce that
Right.
I'm just kind of going to just give a nice little, yeah. But I also didn't open this one.
I told you, use mine, mine open. Here. Come now, man. Teamwork make the dream work.
So I'm going to use the queso sauce. So this is
Queso, the word is queso.
queso. This is like a cheese sauce.
Notice I'm freezing for emphasis. Queso.
Lovely cheese sauce on top
Give me
of
back
it
the
there.
thing now, give me back the thing. Come now, man. Oh, gosh.
God, you're like a
Use
little.
one of them.
And just for a little heat, guys, I want
Nah, you're on your own with that one.
some,
Right. I think my chicken is ready.
just a little bit
Ready.
of jalapenos dotted there.
Looks good. Hard shell. Come now, man. Don't stick.
So I was waiting on you.
No, do your thing. Hard shell. Get him.
So my hard shell could do the very same thing. And that's the good thing about tacos. When you're doing tacos and tequila on any given night, you could go hard or you could go soft. However you like it.
Joel. Cameraman, come by me for me,
However you
please.
like it.
Come by me for me, please.
If you
I'm
like
taking
it.
lettuce. Forget him for now. The overhead and all. Forget him. Lettuce, a lettuce in down.
Some people like it
I
hard.
am going with
Some
the
people
soft
like
shell
it
and the hard
soft.
shell. Lettuce it down first. Right? Notice I'm lettucing my taco. Right. You can go back to him now. Go back to him. Go back to him. You finished?
I'm going hard.
Come back by me. My chicken is done. My
So I want
lovely
some-
pieces of chicken here.
Same ingredients.
Forget him. Come by me.
Same ingredients. I'm just really topping my hard shell. So I want some
Fire. Go ahead and do your thing. While he's garnishing, I'm gonna have my lovely beets. We're gonna beat the taco.
so of beets. salsa.
Beet salsa on the
That's
taco.
very
I like to make mine messier, so even if mine is not pretty like Joel's, but I don't mind. It's the taste is what we're going for, right? But I don't mind me. No, I do it different to Joel. I like to put some sauces. I like to layer my sauces in. So I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna put that first. Just a slight drizzle. Bam, bam. And then some sauce in the hard one. Bam, bam, bam. Simple. Next up, I wanna borrow some of your coleslaw.
You like what goes?
Yeah, it goes all good. I'll teach you your coleslaw. I'm gonna teach you some coleslaw. The coleslaw look nice. It's real nice. You're gonna put a little bit here. Yes, oh, that looks lovely. Lovely indeed. I'm sweating. Where my shot, boy? You pour the shot?
You can shot here, brother.
All right, cool. Hold on. Right. So I'm putting the slow. I'm not putting the big ones. Right. Nice pieces for the hard. Now, of course, when you reach the cheese section of this particular taco, I like to do my layering once again in terms of sauces. Then I put the cheese. So
you're on the room, right?
don't worry now, man. I will not run out of room. You go with the cheese sauce first. Good. Right. Bam. Go in here. Bam. Yes. Then a little bit of sour. I'll use the sour cream here. I go fully loaded, my brother. A little bit of sour, perfect amount of sour.
Sour cream.
Sour cream.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. Right, and then of course, the final thing we just drizzle with a little bit of regular cheese. I don't know if you'll find this recipe on copperjoecaribbean.com, but I hope it's there because this is a champion taco that cannot fold, but I will fold it. My brother, we are complete.
When we come back, these tacos we will share with our first foodie friend.
Salud.
Salud.
Down the hatch.